Burns says he has the typewriter I make stuff up shirt monkeys not because he wants to see a Shakespearean play reproduced. The reasoning he uses is that given enough time, those monkeys will produce the world's greatest novel, which Burns can sell. Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities is regarded by many to be one of the greatest novels ever written, and the best-selling novel of all time, though the numbers are disputed since it's difficult to have tracked, especially its opening lines. In Burns' eyes, the fact that the monkey can't even typewriter I make stuff up shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies' tee for men and women, tank top, V-neck, it is frustrating because that makes it useless to him. But of course, to anyone else, the typewriter I make stuff up shirt fact that a monkey was able to type out this almost coherent sentence is amazing. That is silly. The whole point of the saying depends on the whole infinity thing. It's not about the ability of monkeys. You could substitute it with marbles being dumped on keyboards and make it a much cheaper pointless experiment. I thought the point of a thought. Official typewriter I make stuff up sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's not just about there being infinite monkeys on infinite typewriters indefinitely. It has also to do with the supposed randomness of the monkey's literary output. If the typewriter I make stuff up shirt monkeys aren't smashing the other product,